Loose not launching or crashing on PC. Hash 1. Update your graphics drivers. Outdated or corrupted drivers can cause crashes. For NVIDIA GPUs, download the latest drivers. nvidia.com/download-index.lex. For AMD GPUs, get the latest up.amd.com/n/support. Perform a clean installation during the update to ensure no old driver files cause conflicts. 2. Verify integrity of game files. To check for corrupted or missing files, 1. Open Steam. 2. Go to your library, right-click Hell Let Loose, and select Properties. 3. Click Local Files. Verify integrity of game files. 4. Steam will scan and repair any corrupted files. Tasha 3. Run the game as administrator. 1. Locate the Hell Let Loose executable file. Steam Apps Common Hell Let Loose. 2. Right-click the executable and select Properties. 3. Go to the Compatibility tab and check Run this program as an administrator. 4. Click Apply and then OK. 4. Disable background applications. Certain applications like Discord overlays or MSI Afterburner can cause conflicts. 1. Close all unnecessary apps running in the background. 2. Disable overlays in apps like Discord, Steam, and NVIDIA GeForce Experience. 5. Update DirectX and Visual C++ redistributables. 1. Download the latest version of DirectX from Microsoft, microsoft.com/enus download-details.aspx ID 35. 2. Install the latest Visual C++ redistributables x86 and x64. From here, learn.microsoft.com/enus/cp windows/latest supported vc-redist, view MSVC 6. Adjust graphics settings. If the game launches but crashes mid-game, 1. Open the game and navigate to Settings, Graphics. 2. Lower settings for texture quality, anti-aliasing, shadows. 3. Set full screen mode to full screen instead of windowed or borderless. 7. Increase virtual memory. If your system runs out of RAM, virtual memory can help. 1. Press Win-R, type sysdm.cpl, and press Enter. 2. Go to the Advanced tab, Performance Settings, Advanced tab again, Virtual Memory. Change. 3. Uncheck Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drives. 4. Select your OS drive, usually C, and choose Custom Size. 5. Set initial size 1.5x your RAM, e.g. for 8GB RAM, set 12.288 MB. Maximum size 3x your RAM, e.g. for 8GB RAM, set 24.576 MB. 6. Click OK and restart your PC. 8. Clear cache files. 1. Navigate to Sent Local App Data to Hell Let Loose. 2. Delete the saved folder to clear cache and reset settings. Round 9. Reinstall the game. If the issue persists, 1. Uninstall Hell Let Loose from Steam. 2. Delete any leftover files in Steam Apps Common Hell Let Loose. 3. Reinstall the game and test. 10. Check system requirements. Ensure your system meets the game's requirements. Minimum OS, Windows 10 64-bit. CPU, Intel Core i5-6600K, AMD Ryzen 3 1300X. GPU, NVIDIA GTX 960, AMD R9 380. RAM, 8GB, DirectX 11. Recommended. OS, Windows 10 64-bit. CPU, Intel Core i5-8400, AMD Ryzen 5 2600. GPU, NVIDIA GTX 1060, AMD RX 590. 16GB. Additional steps. Disable overclocking. Revert any GPU or CPU overclocking to default settings. Turn off antivirus firewall temporarily. Some antivirus software can block game files. Check Event Viewer. 1. Press Win-X and select Event Viewer. 2. Look under Windows Logs Application for errors related to Hell Let Loose. If the issue persists, contact Hell Let Loose support with your crash logs from Sent Local App Data Sent Hell Let Loose Saved Logs. Let me know if you need further assistance.